You will need 1 cup of rice cooked, a quarter cup of grated carrot, a quarter cup of French beans chopped, a little bit of spring onion greens to garnish, salt and pepper to taste, a tablespoon of all-in-one sauce. You can use soy sauce, Szechuan sauce, chili sauce in place of this. Green chilies, a teaspoon of it, and a teaspoon of garlic. You will also need some oil, so let us start making it. Here I have about a tablespoon and half of oil heating up in high flame. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic to it, a few green chili slits, now this is slightly cooked. I'm going to add in the French beans. Keep the flame very high. Add in the carrot, salt, pepper, all-in-one sauce, and the rice. Our fried rice is ready. Serve hot.